Hey everyone, it's Brian from Kinsta. Today we'll cover how to use advanced development tools in DevKinsta, like Adminer for database management, along with the built-in email capture tool for inspecting outgoing emails from your WordPress site. Adminer, which is similar to PHPMyAdmin, is DevKinsta's database management interface. DevKinsta uses Adminer instead of PHPMyAdmin because it's a very lightweight option that retains the necessary features and options for local WordPress development. To open Adminer in your web browser, click the Database Manager button on your site's info page. With Adminer, you can perform a number of common database-related tasks, including editing values, importing and exporting database backups, dropping database tables, executing SQL commands, and more. Let's walk through how to edit a database value with Adminer. For this example, we'll update the blog name and blog description values in the WP Options table. First, click on the WP Options table on the left-hand sidebar. Next, click the Select Data button. This will display all the options that can be edited. Let's double-click on the option value for blog name and change it from Kinsta Life to Kinsta Life is Awesome. Next, let's do the same for the blog description and change the value from just another WordPress site to Kinsta's Awesome WordPress site. All right, now let's move on to Adminer's database import and export features. To import a full database backup, we recommend dropping all tables in the existing database first. To do this, go to the root of your database, select all tables, and click the drop button. Next, ensure that your backup file is in .sql or .sql.gz format, and click the Import button in the upper left corner of Adminer. Click Choose Files and select your backup file, and click Execute to start the import process. To export a database backup, click the Export button in the upper left corner of Adminer. Select gzip for the output setting to export a compressed database file. For the format, choose SQL. Finally, click the Export button and Adminer will automatically save the database to your browser's designated downloads folder. Adminer also comes with a powerful SQL execution interface that allows you to run SQL queries on the WordPress database. To run SQL queries on your database, click the SQL command button in the upper left corner of Adminer. Type your query into the text box and click Execute. You can also limit the number of execution rows and customize the error handling behavior of the query. For example, if you're optimizing your database by reducing the amount of auto-loaded data, you can run an SQL command to find the amount of auto-loaded data in the WordPress database. Like PHPMyAdmin, Adminer is a powerful tool for WordPress database management and optimization, and we hope you find it useful as a DevKinsta user. DevKinsta also ships with a built-in SMTP server and an email capture tool that lets you inspect outgoing emails. This tool is very useful for debugging email functionality on your site. For example, if you set up a complex marketing workflow, you can use the email capture tool to double-check what a live user would see when receiving emails from your live site. To use the email capture tool, click on the email inbox icon in the DevKinsta sidebar. On the email inbox screen, you can see all the emails originating from your local WordPress site. To view the contents of an email, just click on it. For each email, you can see useful data like the from and to email addresses, the delivery timestamp, and more. You can also choose between different views like plain text, raw, and HTML. Lastly, DevKinsta allows you to inspect email attachments as well, which can be very useful for debugging contact forms and other WordPress integrations. To learn more about DevKinsta and engage with other DevKinsta users, be sure to head over to our community forum. Thanks for watching and have a great day.